Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the space between words in Microsoft Word. Once you have your Word document open, note your current font size because the space between words typically corresponds to this size. Now, select the part of your document where you want to adjust the spacing, or simply press Ctrl A to select the entire document. Next, I will click on the Show Height button in the paragraph group to reveal the formatting marks. This step is optional, but I find it helpful as it shows what you're working with. It's like turning on X-ray glasses. It lets you see the bones of your document. Let's move on to the Replace function in the Editing group and open the Find and Replace dialog box. Enter a single space in both the Find What and Replace with boxes. To fine-tune the spacing, click on More, then Format, and finally Font. Here, adjust the font size for the space character. Choose a larger size to increase spacing or a smaller size to decrease it. I will select one for our document. After adjusting, click OK. Then Replace All. A dialog box will pop up showing the number of replacements made. Select Yes to apply these changes to your whole document, or No if you want to keep the adjustments to your selected text only. Then close the dialog box to finish. Word will update the spacing based on your choice. And there you have it. You now know how to adjust spacing in Word to make your documents look their best. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Have any questions or suggestions? Please drop them in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.